What's up guys, Coach Sai here with another video. Today, we're going to do the BB gun accuracy challenge. There's 3 parts to the BB gun accuracy challenge. First, speed shooting, who can hit the most shots in 30 seconds. Then, marksmanship, who can hit the most shots out of 5. Then, pig, just like basketball, but BB guns. The other contestants are my friends Dave and Jeremy, but they didn't want to be in the intro, so yeah. But, they're still going to be in the video, so don't worry, we'll still show them, and you'll see who wins each one. Okay. Let's get to it. This is the first round, speed shooting, and I'm gonna go first.
Stop. Alright, let's see the damage.
I ended up getting 10 shots in 30 seconds.
Ooh! Wow,
abbreviated right now. Next up is Jeremy. I already started, so.
Okay, start in 3, 2, 1. Stop.
Jeremy ended up getting 5 shots. And next up is Dave.
1, go. Oh no, it's stuck. Yeah. Stuck again. This thing's in the way.
I ended up winning the challenge because I think David only got 7 shots. Next is the marksmanship challenge, and I'm going first again. I shot my window the other day. I ended up getting 3 out of 5 shots. Next is Jeremy. Fine. You get an extra step since you're bad.
He said it. He said it. Okay, ready?
Yeah, you get another shot. Detour. Next is David. I know where some bullets are. In the can and in the logo. Three.
No, that's cared about it though. He already won. Ooh, 5 out of 5.
And David won the marksmanship.
ground.
And now it's pig.
Red can. Alrighty. The can now so they don't bounce.
Okay. Good idea. Only can. P. And now, because Jeremy missed, David gets to choose
Alright.
where he shoots.
Man.
You're not gonna hit it with opposite eye because you're up. Okay, never mind. I'll just let him go.
Boom.
That was the water bottle. No, we said only red can. That doesn't count.
It's like 6 apparently.
That's how you check your name before you start it.
Yeah, I did. But then I looked way too hard. I think it's you, right? So, we're gonna do on that. It's so hard.
Ready?
Yeah.
Hit it. That's not something. It's the clip.
That was pretty easy. Ready?
Yeah.
Hey.
P.
Loaded.
You have 9 seconds. 8, 7, 6, 5.
It's actually not working.
P.I.
Will he do it? Apparently, yes. He's gonna miss.
P.I.G.
Stupid. Ooh, P.
Oh,
P.I. Come on. All right, David, you're a goner. I was like, it's not working. Just shot the grass.
I was like, what?
We got winner 2020 May. No, it's June. What is it? 6th, 7th. Let me see.
I'm gonna try the
7th, June 7th.
Respect to June.
Thanks for watching, guys. See you next time with Coach Taya. Please click the subscribe button and the like button. Share the video, please. I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you next time. Bye.